Lord, oh Lord. Otti, how you feeling, boy?
Very nice.
Aye.
I like.
Ati says, I like. That's good. Right guys, the worst part of these trips are the fact that you're spending 5, 6, 7 days or whatever days you name it, yeah, in these beautiful places like here, but you spend them in flip-flops and shorts and shirts and all this, and you completely forgot about your gear, and all of a sudden here comes the morning and you have to pack everything and you have to put your gear on you. I hate that. Anyway, today is our last day in Greece. We're gonna start in the morning and we're gonna leave Pelion Peninsula and we're gonna cross in Italy later on today, tonight. We'll see. So, how are you feeling, guys?
Great.
Great. Minden okay, Otti?
Minden okay.
No. Yeah, Misha in this morning is not up for the camera, so never mind. Breakfast in the morning and we're gonna jump on the bikes. We're gonna cross the whole Greece on the other side and see what's on the other side. So, peace. This mountain pass, very tricky because in a lot of bends you either get water or either get sand, so I kind of overshoot a few bends. That's a big tree, I'm telling you.
Don't you worry about me. If I keep feeling like I'm missing something, don't you worry about me.
Right, if you're ever in Greece, yeah, and if you want to cross from Pelion regions to the other side of Greece, I highly recommend you to take this road. Wait, fly. Hold on. Look. I'm gonna put a link in the description. I'm gonna put a link in the description with the route that we take. Jesus Christ, this is absolutely fantastic. I mean, the roads are deserted, yeah, and the scenery is just like, look at that. Absolutely bonkers. Lord, oh Lord. Oti, how you feeling, boy?
Very nice.
Aye. Ati says, I like. That's good. Mishaua. Yama. Boy, oh boy, what a day. We arrive in Igumenica, the port. We have to take a ferry to cross on the other side to Italy. We're going to Brindisi in Italy. Right, first thing, we took all our clothes off because we had moments when we had 37 degrees Celsius outside. But, Jesus Christ, with clean Badlands on you, at 37 degrees, everywhere we stop, Greek people look at us like we land from a stupid alien whatever planet, and you can't judge them because we had the impression it's 100 degrees, not 37. Blind me, what a ride, fantastic ride, unbelievable bands, unbelievable roads, but wrong gear. Too hot. It doesn't matter if you open all the vents and everything. Never mind, I'm gonna go. We're gonna have something to drink, something to eat, something like that, and then we're gonna sort out that thing over there. I presume that's our boat. So, guys, I don't know if you can see between me and the baldy man. That's our ride from Greece to Italy. Jesus, was a fantastic adventure in Greece, and definitely we're gonna come back. I don't know how green it's gonna be this evening because it's dark outside, but thank you, Greece, for having us, literally. So, guys, what's your opinion about Greece?
It's been a blast.
It's been a blast. So, Oti,
Very nice.
Mindem okay?
Igen. Szép.
We'll be back for more Greek salad.
We'll be back. This is the last recording from Greece, so we'll see you guys in
Italy.
Italy.
On the other side.
Yay! Peace.